In today's video, we are going to show you how to add friends on chess.com. Whether you're on mobile or desktop, the process is simple, quick, and easy. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials. And then I want you to scroll down on the bottom left corner where you can see the search option. Now type in the exact username of the person you want to add. For example, let's say I'm looking for Mike. Press enter. So I have Mikey Slice. Then select their profile from the results. And as you may notice, you have the ability to click the three dots icon and click the add a friend. Okay? And then of course, your friend request will be sent instantly. If prompted, confirm the action. And if by any chance you have a sudden change of heart, you can simply click that cancel request. Okay? And basically that's it for today's video on how to add friends in chess.com. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.